Hackney Marshes. Staying local today. Not sure what we'll find, but there will be spiders. Oh yes. Come on. Oh, rodents have been under here for sure. And that's a woodlouse spider. Fantastic spiders. Look at that colour. Leopard slug. These actually eat other slugs. Another rodent stash. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Turkey tail, maybe? I'm no fungus expert. Long-tailed tip. Little brown centipede in there somewhere. So many of them here. Blue tip. More cool fungi, possibly some kind of Pisiza. I absolutely love the log piles here. There's so much life under and around them. Fantastic mini beast habitat. Hello, Robin. Here's a pair of great tits. Giant house spider, miles away from any buildings. A lot of people think these only live in our homes, but they're often found in woodland, happily living under logs, like this one. Go, go, go. Moorhen. Mallard and coot. Pretty much guaranteed to see those along here. It's all happening at once. Great spotted woodpecker just down there, and there is a little owl just up there. Little owl. An introduced species in England, they're found in the warmer parts of Europe, across Asia, and in northern Africa. The English population peaked in the 1980s. But they have declined since then, both here and in the rest of Europe. Their diet consists of small mammals and birds, as well as worms and beetles. Look at that face. Fantastic little birds.